Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the music on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. Go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here go to the second button, the game. Here you can find the audio settings section, and if you want to turn off, click to the arrow, the first arrow, and if you want to turn on, just click that again, and you can set the volume. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.